Good morning, this is Grandma Freeman, and I want to talk about the Mayo Clinic diet. This week, we're on Chapter 5, What Have You Learned? But before I go on with that, I want to talk about what the habits are. It's very important if you're losing weight or you want to lose weight, you have to change some habits. Well, in the Mayo Clinic diet, the second chapter is about adding 5 new habits. And those habits are, number one habit is to eat a healthy breakfast every morning, but a small breakfast. The habit number 2 to adopt is to eat plenty of vegetables and fruit, at least 4 vegetables and 3 fruits per day. And then we go on to habit number 3 is to eat whole grains. So add plenty of whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat, and oatmeal, and then other grains. And then habit number 4 is to eat healthy fats, olive oil, vegetable oils, and lightly. For me, I only get 3 fats per day. So that would be my cooking oil and maybe my salad oils. And then habit number 5 is to move it or exercise. You need to adopt a healthy exercise program and stick to it. And then the chapter 3 goes on to talk about break 5 bad habits. And those habits to break are, number 1, break the habit of watching television while you're eating. No eating while watching television. And then habit number 2 is to quit sugar, cut out sugar from your diet, avoid it. And habit number 3 is no snacking. No snacking while you're watching television or on the computer. Habit number 4 is to cut out the fatty meats and whole milk. So you need to eat lean meats and lean chicken and either non-fat or low-fat milk. And then habit number, that was habit number 4. So habit number 5 is to not eat in restaurants, avoid eating in restaurants, unless your menu plan fits the diet plan. And then in chapter 4, they talk about adopting 4 bonus habits. And those bonus habits, the bonus habit number 1 is to record everything you eat. Keep a notebook or a journal and write down everything you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and your snacks. And those snacks should be vegetable and fruit and not chips and ice cream and different things like that. So that's bonus habit number 1. Bonus habit number 2 is to record your movements or your exercise. Record everything you do that's moving during the day. And so then bonus habit number 3 is to move more. So you need to increase your daily exercise to 1 hour a day. And then if you can break that up into intervals, 10, 15 minutes at a time, depending on what you're doing. And you can count housework and different activities that you do, gardening and so forth. And then bonus habit number, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting. Okay, that was bonus habit number 3. Bonus habit number 4 is to eat real food, healthy, fresh, and healthy frozen and canned foods. And that would be mainly your vegetables and fruit and your meats. Avoid eating packaged foods, and if you do, read the labels, the ingredients label, and find out what you're eating, because some packaged foods have strange things that you really don't need to be putting into your body. So that was bonus habit number 4, to eat real food. And bonus habit number 5 is to write your daily goals. And that would be your diet goals plus your exercise goals. And keep thinking about, what you want to do every day. You're going to think about what exercise you're going to do. And what I do is I keep one notebook, and in it I record everything I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And also I write down if I'm doing, the quantity of if I'm having 3 proteins and 4 vegetables and 3 fruits and only 3 fats. And I only get 4 carbs, and that would be like a slice of bread or half of an English muffin. And those would be preferably whole wheat things. And I only get a 1/3 cup of brown rice. So you can see how long a pot of rice will last me a whole week. And if I'm, wanting that. And then, so that's where I'm at with the diet. And I'm proud to say that I lost, during the course of the whole month that I've been on the diet, I have lost 10 pounds. And they say you can do that in 2 weeks, from 6 to 8, 10 pounds. And for me, I'm not that far overweight. Right now, I'm kind of middle overweight. And so it's getting harder for me to lose a pound. And also, I need to really cut down on meat and chicken to lose that weight. That's, because there's a lot of cholesterol in meat, and it's a growth food. Protein is a growth food. So I'm trying to incorporate at least two to three meatless meals into my diet plan. And there are some recipes and some ideas in this Mayo Clinic diet book here. I'll show it to you. This is what I'm using. And I recommend you buy this book if you want to follow the program the right way. But if you follow those add habits, break habits, and bonus habits, that will help you. And then in a chapter, okay, we'll go on to chapter 5, and that's, I read, I went from chapter 1 through chapter 4, and then chapter 5 is what you have learned. That's the name of the chapter. And it's goes on to ask you questions about what were your problem areas. And for me, I think the fats were difficult. I had to cut way back on salad dressings, and they say when you're using oil in cooking, think teaspoonful. So that means no deep fried foods. And I use butter for my eggs. I think they taste better. So I'm using 1 tab or 1 teaspoon of butter when I fry my eggs. And I didn't put any butter on my half of English muffin. I put my egg on that, and it had a little butter on it. So it was very tasty. Well, that was breakfast, and with 1/2 glass of apple juice. That's all I was allowed for breakfast. And when I record my breakfast, I plan my lunch and dinner so I can stay within my portion sizes and the amounts that I'm allowed for my 1,200 calorie a day diet plan. Well, I hope you learned something from this, and I'm going to continue to go to the next section, is to live it. That means I have to stick with it and keep trying to. I'll probably lose a little bit, but I'm not that heavy, and I'm big bones in the middle, So I probably won't lose a whole lot on this diet unless I go down to 1,000 calories per day. And that would be a lot of less food. And I've been pretty hungry and happy when it's time to eat. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.